All right, today we're plugging into one of the most exciting careers out there in the skilled trades, becoming a construction electrician. We're going to break down why there's such a massive opportunity in this field, and we'll map out the modern, streamlined way to become a licensed pro. And the best part, no four-year degree required. Okay, let's get into it. So let's just frame the opportunity right off the bat. Are you looking for a career that has incredible job security, pays really well from day one, and gives you a chance to literally build the world around you? If that sounds good, you are definitely in the right place. First, let's talk about demand. I want you to look at this number. We're talking about 81,000 job openings for electricians projected every single year for the next decade. This isn't just some temporary thing. It's a huge, sustained need for skilled people. The job security here is just, well, it's off the chart. And what about the money? Well, while the average salary is already great, get this, the top 10% of construction electricians are pulling in over $106,000 a year. This is a powerful career that lets you build a fantastic life, all without that mountain of student loan debt.
So, why is this all happening right now? What's the engine behind this incredible demand for electricians? Well, the answer is pretty simple. The world is plugging in, and it's doing it in a big way.
Now, what's so fascinating here is that it's not just one thing. It's like 5 massive waves hitting all at once. You've got the total electrification of our economy, the explosion in renewables like solar and wind, and the huge build-out of EV charging. That alone is going to create over 78,000 jobs. Then you add in the rise of smart buildings and this giant retirement gap, with 3,000 more electricians leaving the field than entering it each year, and you've got a perfect storm of opportunity. Okay, so the opportunity is crystal clear. But how do you actually get started? You know, for decades, there was pretty much only one way in. But today, you've got a choice. There are 2 very different models for training. On one hand, you have the traditional government-registered apprenticeship. It's a model that's been around since, believe it or not, 1937. And while it's established, it can also be pretty bureaucratic and kind of complex. But on the other hand, you have this modern, industry-driven model from NCCER. It's built to be way more flexible and efficient, and it gives you an apprenticeship equivalent program that all the major construction firms really depend on. And here's the most important part. The NCCER path gives you a portable, industry-recognized credential that employers are actively looking for. So let's dig into how this modern path actually works. What does the training actually look and feel like? Well, it's a really structured journey designed to take you from a total beginner to a professional who's ready to hit the ground running on day one. The whole thing is broken down into these clear progressive levels. Everybody starts with what's called the core curriculum. That's the universal foundation for all the construction trades. From there, you dive deep into electrical. Level 1 covers the basics, like theory and the National Electrical Code. By the time you get to level 3, you're tackling complex stuff like load calculations. And level 4, that gets into highly specialized areas like hospitals and fire alarms and even crew leadership. Each level builds right on top of the last one, getting you ready for that next step in your career. And this picture right here really shows you the level of investment the industry is making. This is not some dusty old classroom in a basement. This is a $15 million state-of-the-art training center built by TIC, a huge industrial contractor. This is where modern professionals are built. And the whole focus is on hands-on learning. You're not just reading about theory in a book, you're in these dedicated lab spaces practicing on the exact same kind of equipment you're going to use out in the field. This is how you really master the skills and build the confidence you need for the real world. And hey, don't just take my word for it. This quote from the Associated Builders and Contractors says it all. Major contractors depend on NCCER credentials. In a lot of cases, it's actually a requirement just to get on the job site. This is the stamp of approval from the people who actually do the hiring. And it's not just one group either. We're talking industry giants like Fluor and TIC, 2 of the biggest names in the game. They use the NCCER system to train thousands of professionals every single year. It really is the gold standard. So, you've done the training, you've got the skills. What's next? Well, this is the exciting part. The final step is turning all that knowledge into a professional state license. And the path to get there is incredibly clear. It's really just a straightforward 4-step process. First, you complete your classroom training. Second, you log 8,000 hours of paid on-the-job training. That's right, you're earning money while you're learning. Third, you pass the big test, the Journeyman exam,
which proves you know your stuff. And finally, step 4, you earn that state license and officially become a full-fledged journeyman electrician.
Now, here's a huge perk of getting licensed. It's something called reciprocity. Basically, it just means that many states have agreements with each other. So if you get licensed in one state, you can often get your license in another one without having to take their big exam all over again. This gives you incredible freedom and mobility in your career. And earning that license, that is not the finish line. Nope. It is the starting gate for a long, rewarding career with amazing potential for you to grow and specialize.
And the great thing is, there's a clear path for you to climb. You start out as an apprentice, you become a journeyman, and from there, you can move up to lead a crew as a foreman, oversee multiple projects as a superintendent, or even become a project manager where you're running the whole show. And of course, every step you take up that ladder comes with a significant jump in your earning potential. As you can see, the salary grows big time with experience, from a really strong starting wage as an apprentice all the way up into the 6 figures for senior electricians. And you can also choose to specialize in some of the most exciting, cutting-edge fields out there. I mean, think about it. Data centers, renewable energy, smart building technology. These are the things building our future, and licensed electricians are the ones who make it all happen. So, what's the big takeaway from all this? A career as a construction electrician gives you a skill set that's portable, it's in high demand everywhere, and it is absolutely essential to every single part of our modern world. We are facing a massive nationwide shortage of the very people who are building our electrified future. With 81,000 jobs opening up every single year, the real question isn't whether the opportunity is there, it's, are you ready to go get it?
Get free NCCER practice tests. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to start practicing today.